Welcome to our YouTube channel One Job Discovery. The topic going look today is time and work. So friends, let's start. First question is A, B and C can do a piece of work in 24 days, 30 days and 40 days respectively. They began the work together, but C left for 4 days before. In how many days was the work completed? So see here, A, B and C can do a piece of work in A work in 24 days, B can complete in 30 days and same work C can complete it in 40 days. So first of all we need how much full work. So see here, this is full work. Okay, this full work he completed in 24 days and he is 30 days and he is 40 days, but we don't know what is full work. So take a number in which all are cut off. So I think let me take 120. 24 5 ja 120, 34 ja 120 and 43 ja 120. So 120 is cut with all. Okay, if 120 work he does 20 in 24 days and B does in 30 days and C does in 40 days. So what is his efficiency? 24 5 ja 120. So A efficiency is 5. He does 5 work and he completed in 24 of 120 work. Similarly, B does 30 work 120. So his efficiency is 34 ja. So B efficiency is 4 work in a single days. He does 4 work in single days and he can complete 30 days of 120 work. So B efficiency is 4. Similarly, C does 120 work in 40 days. So we can say 4 3 is 120 and C left for 4 days before, means see here, total work from here to here and he left 4 days before. So this work will do A plus B because he left 4 days before. He left 4 days before. Okay, and this work A plus B will do. So A plus B means 5 plus 4 because he does 5 work in a single days and B work 4 days single days. So A plus B will 9 work and this area will do A plus B. So he left for 4 days. So 9 4 ja 36. So A plus B will 36 out of 120. Okay, so full work is 120 and A plus B will work 36 work in 4 days. So remaining work is, this is full work and he does 36 work out of 120. So remaining work will be 84 work and this work A plus B plus C will do because he left after 4 days. Now he will A plus B plus C will do. So A efficiency is 5, B efficiency is 3 and C efficiency is B efficiency is 4 and C efficiency is 3. So total 5 plus 4 plus 3, A plus B plus C will do 9 work in a single days. Okay, total work, remaining work is 84. So he will complete in 84 84 by 9. So I think 12 work. So 12 7 ja 74. So he will complete in 7 days, and he took 4 days before and now 7. So 7 plus 4 is 11 days. So they will complete it in 11 days. So our answer is B. B is correct answer. Okay. Move to question number 2. Question number 2, read carefully. A can finish a work in 18 days and B can do the same work in 15 days. B worked for 10 days and left the job. In how many days A alone can finish the remaining job? Okay. So see here, A can finish in 18 days. Same work B can finish in 15 days. So we need how much full work? Okay. A can finish 18 days of this work and B can 15 days finish of this work. So I think 90. Take a number in which both are cut off. 18 5 ja 90 and 15 6 ja 90. A does 5 work per day and he will finish in 18 days of 90 work. Same work he does 6 work in a single day and he finishing in 15 days of 90 work. So total work is 90. Okay. And in the question given, B worked for 10 days. Okay. B worked for 10 days. It means B efficiency is 6 and he does in 6 days. Okay. So 6 into 10 will be, he completed 60 work out of 90 work. So remaining work is 90 minus 60 will be 30, and this remaining work only A worked. See here, A alone can finish the remaining work. Remaining work is 30 and this work finishing is A, and A efficiency is per day 5 work. He does 5 work per day and remaining work is 30. So 30 by 5, 5 6 ja 30. He will finish in 6 days. See here friends, A can finish work. A can finish a work in 18 days and B can finish the work in 15 days. Total work is 90. 18 5 ja 90. So A efficiency is 5. He does 5 work per day. Similarly, B finish 90 work in 15 days. So we can say he does 6 work in a single day, and B doing 10 days. Okay, this work. So his efficiency is he does 6 work single day and he does in 10 days or into 6. So he will do 60 work. Okay, and total work is 90. 90 minus 60, remaining work is 30. This remaining work does A, because question according to question he does in 6 days. Okay, so our answer is 6. Option number D. Let's move question number 3. Question number 3. X and Y can do a piece of work in 20 days and 12 days respectively. X started the work alone and then after 4 days Y him till 1 minute. Friends, question read again. X and Y can do a piece of work in 20 days and 12 days respectively. X started the work alone and then after 4 days Y joined him till the completed of the work. How long did the work last? Okay, so see here. X can do a work in 20 days, okay, and same work Y can do a work in 12 days. So first of all we need how much work, okay. So take LCM and you can take a number in which both are cut off. So I think 60 is correct, because 23 is 60 and 12 5 is 60, okay. X doing 3 work in a single days and he completed in 20 days. Similarly same work Y doing 5 work in a single days and he completed in 12 days of 60 work, okay. So read again question. X started the work alone and then after 4 days X started. X efficiency is 3 and started is he take 4 days. So 3 into 4 will be 12 work. He completed 12 work out of 60 because after both joined X plus Y, okay. After Y joined, before doing 4 days only X, so X efficiency is 3 and he does for 4 days. So he completed 12 work out of 60. So remaining work is 60 minus 12 will be 40 work. Now both have only 40 work and this work X plus Y does. So X plus Y does, X efficiency is 3 and Y efficiency is 5. So he does 8 work in a single days, okay, and total work is remaining work is 48 and he completed in 8 into 8 will be 6 days. So our answer is 6 days, option number A, okay. So thank you for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friend.